In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a topic in a Telegram group. Before we begin, there's one important thing to know. Telegram topics, sometimes called forum mode, only work in supergroups. If your group is still a regular group, the topics feature may not appear at all. So the first part of this process is making sure the feature is available and turned on. Start by opening the official Telegram app on your device. Once you're in the app, go to the group chat where you want to create topics. After opening the group, tap the group name at the top of the screen. This will take you into the group's details and settings area, where you can manage group features. From there, look for the option that says Edit, usually shown with a pencil icon, or Manage Group, depending on your device and app version. Inside those settings, look for Topics or Forum mode. When you find it, turn on Enable Topics and confirm the action if Telegram asks you to. Once this setting is enabled, your group changes into a forum-style group, which allows separate discussion threads instead of keeping everything in one single chat. After topics are enabled, go back to the main group chat. You should now see an option such as Create Topic or New Topic. Tap that to begin making your first topic. Telegram will then ask you to enter a topic name. For example, you might create a topic for announcements, questions, updates, or any category that helps organize the conversation. You may also have the option to choose a topic icon, which is optional but useful if you want topics to be easier to recognize at a glance. When everything looks good, tap Create. Now that your topic has been created, open it and start chatting inside it just like you would in a normal Telegram conversation. Type your message and send it as usual. The advantage here is that each topic keeps related messages together, which makes group discussions much more organized and easier to follow. If you want to manage topics later, go back into the group settings and open the topics list. From there, you can rename a topic, delete a topic, or pin important topics so members can find them quickly. If the topics option is not showing, the most common reason is that your group is not a supergroup, or your Telegram app needs to be updated to the latest version. If you can't create a topic, you may not be an admin, so you'll need the group owner to give you permission, and if forum mode seems to have disappeared, it may have been turned off again in the group settings.